Good morning, fellow traders. This is Ryan, and with a special announcement that I will be sharing my trading journey with you all in 2024. I will be recording every single one of my live trades and uploading it to my YouTube channel, whether it be a winning trade, a losing trade, or a trade that breaks even. And what I mean by live trades are trades made in real time with a real money account. And I would like to take the opportunity of in this video to show you my workspace and how I have everything set up. Now, it takes a lot of bravery and courage for a trader to be transparent and show you every single one of their trades. So I want to take this time to thank you ahead of time for the support and the encouragement. And if you would like to support and grow this YouTube channel, please give me a like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a trade. Because even though I will be showing you all of my live trades, I'm not going to guarantee that I will be trading every single day. So ring that notification bell so you'll know when I do make a trade. Also, if you have any questions about how I have everything set up, please leave it down in the comment section below. Also, if you want to share a live trade yourself, I would be happy to take a look at it. Just link it in the comments below. And with that, let's get started. So this is going to be the main screen that you're going to see in my videos. On the top left here, I have a digital clock. This is just to keep track of the time. It's mainly for you guys to know what time it is as the market is running. And on this left side, you see a chart. This is going to be the Thinkorswim. This is my paper account. And I'm using Thinkorswim because it is a free resource and it is a charting tool that I am used to using and I enjoy it. So I don't represent them. I'm not affiliated with Thinkorswim in any way. They don't pay me or anything. I just like to use it. Now on the right side, I am using TradeStation as my broker. This is where I'm going to be executing my live trade. This is going to be my real money account here. You can see on the bottom right, today is Monday, January 29, 2024. It is currently 7:47 in the morning. And you can see that this account, I funded it with $10,000. There's a little bit more than that because I made some trades in January. Also, there's some sign-up bonuses, so it's a little bit more, but let's just say around $10,000. And you can see here, this is my account number. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show this or not. I am confirming with TradeStation, so I'm waiting to hear back from them. But if I don't get a response, I'll still put this video out. I'll just blur my account number for now, but you'll see it in the future if they allow it. But the important thing is in front, you don't see the word sim, meaning this is a real money account. It's not a simulated account. Now let's quickly go over what I have in the TradeStation. On the bottom here, this is going to be my orders, and you'll see my positions and my orders that get filled in here. Here is the matrix. This is what I'm going to be using to place my orders, and you'll see that I will be switching the order type from a limit order or my stop market. That's going to be my stop loss. And the reason why I do this manually is because I am not paying for TradeStation data. So I'm using their delayed data. Now, Thinkorswim has real-time data, and that they give it to you for free. But the TradeStation, it's going to be delayed data. So you can see if I place an order right here, it's going to be delayed, but it will put the order in real time. You'll see how it goes. And just quickly on the top left, this is going to be the markets that I will be trading, ES and the NASDAQ. I have the mini contracts up here, but mainly I'm going to be trading the micros to start out because you know that I only have $10,000. I plan to use just 1% or a 0.5% risk, meaning I'm going to be risking about $100 or $50 per trade. Now, I do have a second monitor, and I'll quickly go over to it right now. Okay, so this is the main screen that I use to do most of my analysis. Also, I'll be using it to pull up news and manage recording my videos. So you're not really going to be seeing this screen but I want to show you what I have set up off camera so you know what I'm looking at. So here's Thinkorswim charting again. I have the typical 3 time frame setup. I'll have my higher time frame here, usually the 1 hour, but sometimes I'll move this to the 4 hour or even daily. On the bottom left here, this is going to be my 15-minute time frame. Pretty much is always going to be my 15-minute time frame. And then here's the main one where I am looking at the lower time frame, meaning 5 minutes or lower. Also, I have all the markets that I'm looking at on the left side. I'll be toggling through, switching between them, taking a look at divergences between similar market. But mainly, let's just go through it. It's the ES, NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, dollar index, and I even have the bonds up. Now, lastly, I want to show you the spreadsheet that I'll be using to record all of my trades. So even though I have statements and all my trades are recorded on my broker, I think it's always a good idea for traders to go ahead and record and track their trades on their own. This way it gives you an opportunity every time you go ahead and pull this up, you can review your previous trades and even have a comment section, if you have a comment section, to read through your notes and how you were feeling for previous trades. So I'm not going to go through every single one of these because I do have formulas for all the columns in gray with the orange text, but the columns with the black text are going to be the raw data points down to fill out. So here we have the date, and the price per point is going to be whether I trade the NASDAQ or the ES. They have different dollar amounts per point, so I'm just using this for calculation purposes. And here it says bias. Basically what it means is whether I'm taking a long or a short, and again, is used for calculation purposes. And then we have the number of contracts, what price I use for my entry, what price I'm using for my stop loss, and then I have 3 areas here. There's going to be my partials. If I decide to take partials, I'll take up to 3 and then exit completely. And then the session will just be the AM session or the PM session. Day of week will be, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And these are just to keep track later down the road. Once I have a lot of data filled out in this spreadsheet, I can use this to narrow down to see what my best days are. What am I better in the morning or in the afternoon? So these are just some future thoughts that I'm thinking about. And the last column is trade duration, how long I am holding the trade. So maybe I do really well if I'm holding the trade for 3 hours versus if I'm just holding the trade for 15 minutes, etc. Just down the line statistics. Now I do have formulas here. You can see here's an example of my formulas. I'm not going to go through all of them, but leave me a comment below if you do want me to see, if you do want to see in a separate video what all my formulas are, and then hopefully that will give you an idea of like what kind of information and calculations you want to do for your own spreadsheet. But thanks so much for watching this video, and leave me a like, subscribe, and like I said, I'll be uploading all of my live trading here, so ring that notification bell so you'll know exactly when I get that trade going. Today is January 29th, and I hope we have a great trading year in 2024.